Hello my kids, welcome to New Academy Year. It is time for Math Primary 3.
Who's Miss Lab?
Ashirian.
Hello my kids, how are you today? Today's lesson on what's left on the multiplication table, timetable 4, 6, 7 and 8. We can get the product of the multiplication by one of the methods we used before, such as drawing, erase, or number line. The multiples of number 4 from 120 chart are the same as the results of the multiplication table 4. 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12, 4 times 4 equal 16, 4 times 5 equal 20, 4 times 6 equal 24, 4 times 7 equal 28, 4 times 8 equal 32, 4 times 9 equal 36, 4 times 10 equal 40, 4 times 11 equal 44, and so on. Solve on me. 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 times 0. We know that any number times 0 equal 0. Excellent. Which number times 3 equal 21? Excellent. 7. 7 times 3 equal 21. 4 times 2 equal 8. 4 times 10 equal? Excellent. 40. 4 times 3 equal 12. 4 times 1? 4. Excellent.
It's time to multiply by 4. It's time to multiply by 4. It's time to multiply by 4.
Well, go ahead and do it. What you waiting for?
Okay, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. And 4 times 12 is 48. Excellent job, everyone. Now we're going to turn the numbers around and try it again, starting with 1 times 4 and going up. Ready? Here we go. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40. 11 times 4 is 44. And 12 times 4 is 48. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now you know how to multiply by 4. Just keep practicing, and we'll see you later.
Timetable 6. The multiples of the number 6 from 120 chart are the same as the results of the multiplication table 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 11 equal 66, and so on. Solve with me. 6 times 3 equal, excellent, 18. 6 times 6 equal 36. Which number multiply 2 equal 12? 6. 6 multiply 4, 24. 6 multiply 10, excellent, 60. 6 multiply what equal 35. 6 multiply 7 equal 42.
Come on, kids, let's multiply by 6. It's really easy to do, there's no tricks. You're gonna learn it yourself in just a bit.
So let's multiply by 6. Here we go.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. And 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. And 6 times 12 is 72.
Alright kids, that was great. Now we're going to turn the numbers around, starting with 1 times 6 and go up to 12. You ready? You can do it.
1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. And 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. And 10 times 6 is 60. 11 times 6 is 66. And 12 times 6 is 72. Now you know your 6 times table. Now you know your 6 times table. Now you know your 6 times table. See you later.
Timetables 7. The multiples of number 7 from 120 short are the same as the results of the multiplication table 7. 7 multiply 1 equal 7. 7 multiply 2 equal 14. 7 multiply 3 equal 21. 7 multiply 4 equal 28. 7 multiply 5 equal 35. 7 multiply 6 equal 42. 7 multiply 7 equal 49. 7 multiply 8 equal 56. 7 multiply 9 equal 63. 7 multiply 10 equal 70. Solve with me. 7 times 3 equal 21. 7 times 6 equal, excellent, 42. 7 times what equal 14? Excellent, 2. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 10 equal 70. Which number times 5 equal 35? 7. 7 times what equal 49? 7. Excellent.
Are you ready for today's lesson? We're going to learn how to multiply by 7. Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's start multiplying by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. And 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. And 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. And 7 times 12 is 84.
Great job, guys. Okay, we're going to switch the multiples around. Start with 1 times 7 and go up to 12 times 7. You ready? Let's do it.
1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 7 is 63. And 10 times 7 is 70. 11 times 7 is 77. And 12 times 7 is 84. 7 times table is really cool. If you learn this stuff, you'll do better in school. And 7 times table is really cool. So learn this stuff, you'll do better in school. Oh yeah.
Timetables 8. The multiples of the number 8 from 120 short are the same as the results of the multiplication table 8. 8 times 1 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16. 8 times 3 equal 24. 8 times 4 equal 32. 8 times 5 equal 40. 8 times 6 equal 48. 8 times 7 equal 56. 8 times 8 equal 64. 8 times 9 equal 72. 8 times 10 equal 80. Solve with me. 8 times 3 equal 24. 8 times 6 equal 48. Which number times 2? Eight times 3 equal what? 24. Excellent. 8 times 6 equal 48. Which number times 2 equals 16? Excellent. 8. 8 times 4 equal 32. 8 times what equal 80? Excellent. 10. 8 times what equal 40? 5. 8 times 7 equal? Excellent. 56.
If you want to multiply by 8, here's a cool little song to help you get it straight. The 8 times table's something you should know. Multiply with us. Are you ready? Let's go.
8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. And 8 times 12 is 96.
Alright, now it's time for us to turn the numbers around. This time we're going to start with 1 times 8 and go up to 12 times 8. Are you ready? Here we go.
1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96.
The 8 times table is great. The 8 times table is great. The 8 times table is great. Now you can multiply by 8.
Hello my kids, welcome to New Academy Year. It is time for Math Primary 3. Who's Miss Vlad? Miss Shirian. See you later.